Have you ever found yourself struggling with heavy bags during a vacation, or spending more time managing your luggage than enjoying your travels? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to transform the way you travel. Imagine moving through airports swiftly, skipping the baggage claim, and exploring your destination without the burden of excess luggage. Sounds great, right? It's not just convenient, it's liberating. Did you know that the average traveler uses only half of what they pack? Yet, so many of us lug around items we never use, weighing down our trips both literally and figuratively. But fear not. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pack efficiently, making your travel smoother and more enjoyable. From choosing the right luggage to the secrets of multi-purpose items, and from the essentials you really need to effective laundry solutions on the go, each chapter is packed with actionable tips and real-life examples to help you master the art of light travel. Stay tuned as we dive into these top strategies, ensuring your next trip is as light as it is memorable. Chapter 1. The Philosophy of Packing Light. Traveling doesn't mean lugging around everything you own. The art of packing light revolves around simplicity, flexibility, and mobility. When you pack less, you move more freely, spend less time managing your belongings, and more time enjoying your journey. It's not just about saving space, it's about enhancing your travel experience. The key to mastering this philosophy is prioritizing what truly adds value to your travel. Do you really need to pack a different outfit for each day, or can you mix and match a few versatile pieces? The concept is simple: less is more. By carrying only the essentials, you're prepared to handle any adventure that comes your way. This minimalist approach isn't just practical, it's liberating. Interestingly, a study from the University of Oxford suggests that people who pack light generally experience less stress and more enjoyment during their travels. Embrace this mindset, and you'll find that with each item you leave behind, you gain a bit more freedom. Chapter 2. Choosing the right luggage. Selecting the right bag is crucial to packing light. The ideal luggage is lightweight, durable, and just big enough to hold your essentials. Forget those gigantic check-in suitcases. A compact carry-on is what you need. Not only does this ensure everything you pack is essential, but it also saves you time at airports, bypassing the baggage claim carousels. For most travelers, a backpack or a small-wheeled suitcase works best. These options encourage you to limit your load, as you'll feel the weight of any unnecessary items. A good rule of thumb is to choose a bag that is about 40-45 liters in capacity, large enough to hold what you need but small enough to keep you mobile. Moreover, the design of your luggage can impact your packing efficiency. Features like multiple compartments and external pockets can help organize your belongings and make them easily accessible during your trip. Remember, the goal is to travel smoothly and swiftly, with everything you need at your fingertips. Choosing the right luggage isn't just about size and style, it's about adopting a strategy that keeps your journey light and enjoyable. Many seasoned travelers swear by this approach, noting how it has transformed their travel experiences from cumbersome to carefree. Chapter 3. Essentials Only. When packing for a long trip, it's easy to think you need to bring a lot of stuff. However, focusing on essentials is a game changer. Start by listing everything you think you need, and then cut that list in half. It sounds drastic, but it forces you to prioritize the items you truly cannot do without. Begin with the absolute necessities: identification, money, phone, chargers, essential toiletries, and a few clothing items. Clothes often take up the most space, so choose versatile pieces that can be combined to create different outfits. A good strategy is to stick to a color scheme so everything matches. For example, choosing neutral colors like black, white, and gray can make mixing and matching easier. Did you know? The average traveler uses only about half of what they pack. This statistic from a travel survey highlights the importance of resisting the urge to overpack. Instead of preparing for every possible scenario, prepare for the most likely ones and plan to make do or buy essentials at your destination if absolutely necessary. Chapter 4. Wear layers, pack less. Layering is not just a fashion statement, it's a strategic way to pack. By wearing your bulkier items, like jackets and sweaters, during travel, you can save significant space in your luggage. This approach is especially useful in varying climates, as layers can be easily added or removed depending on the weather. Focus on fabrics that are lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. Merino wool, for instance, is an excellent choice for travelers. It's naturally odor-resistant, temperature-regulating, and dries quickly. With such materials, you can wear the same items multiple times without a wash, further reducing the need for packing many clothes. Also, consider multifunctional clothing like zip-off pants that can become shorts, or a scarf that can be styled into a makeshift blanket during a chilly flight. Such items not only save space but also add to your travel convenience. Layering effectively means you're prepared for various settings and activities without carrying extra weight. Many travel experts highlight this method as essential for light travel, with the added benefit that it makes adapting to new environments quick and easy. Chapter 5. Multipurpose Items. One of the best strategies for packing light is to choose items that serve more than one purpose. This not only saves space but also reduces the number of things you need to carry. For example, a sarong can be used as a beach cover-up, a towel, a curtain, or even a piece of clothing if you need something clean to wear. Similarly, choose electronics that multitask. A smartphone can double as your camera, map, and entertainment device, eliminating the need for multiple gadgets. If you're carrying a laptop, consider if a tablet could suffice for your trip since it's lighter and often just as functional for travel needs. Even toiletries can be multi-purpose. For instance, shampoo can also wash clothes in a pinch, and a stick of lip balm can moisturize not just your lips but also dry skin patches. According to travel experts, items like these are invaluable. They allow you to adapt to various situations without the burden of excess luggage. Chapter 6. Organizational Tools. Organizing your luggage efficiently is key to packing light. Tools like packing cubes, compression sacks, and envelope folders help you maximize space and keep your belongings in order. Packing cubes, for example, let you compress clothes and categorize them, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your bag. A good tip is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. This not only prevents wrinkles but also saves space, allowing you to fit more into your packing cubes. Additionally, using a digital luggage scale can prevent overpacking and help you stay within airline weight limits, avoiding hefty fees. Experts suggest that an organized packer is a more relaxed traveler. Knowing exactly where everything is and that it's packed in the most space-efficient way can reduce stress and make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Chapter 7. The Tech Kit. For many travelers, tech gadgets are a must-have, but they can quickly add weight and take up space. The key is to pack a streamlined tech kit that covers all your needs without overloading your bag. Start by identifying the tech essentials. Usually, your smartphone, a charger, and perhaps a multi-use adapter if you're traveling internationally. Consider the benefits of multifunctional devices. A smartphone, for instance, can serve as your camera, map, and entertainment center. If you need a laptop for work, think about whether a lighter, smaller tablet could also meet your needs. Remember, every ounce counts when you're trying to pack light. Cable organizers or tech pouches can be a lifesaver. They keep your wires untangled and accessible, and they prevent damage. Opt for compact versions of gadgets, like mini power banks or earbuds instead of large headphones. Travel experts often emphasize that choosing tech that complements each other can save space, like lenses that attach to your smartphone instead of a separate DSLR camera. Chapter 8. Laundry Solutions on the Go. When you're packing light, you can't bring a lot of clothes, so having a plan for laundry is crucial. Portable laundry solutions mean you can wash clothes on the go, ensuring you can reuse what you've packed. A travel-sized packet of detergent or a solid laundry soap bar doesn't take much space and can be used in any sink. An alternative to daily washing is choosing fabrics that are breathable, odor-resistant, and quick-drying. Merino wool is a traveler's favorite because it can be worn multiple times without needing a wash. Additionally, packing a small, lightweight travel clothesline and a few sink stoppers can make doing laundry anywhere possible. Many travelers also suggest using local laundromats for a deeper clean. This approach not only supports local businesses but also makes it possible to travel for extended periods with just a few items of clothing. Remember, the key to effective travel laundry is simplicity and efficiency. Chapter 9. Avoiding Common Pitfalls. Packing light requires discipline and foresight, and it's easy to fall into common traps. One major pitfall is packing at the last minute, which often leads to overpacking. Start your packing process a few days before your departure to give yourself time to think critically about each item you're considering. Another frequent mistake is packing for the worst-case scenario rather than the most likely scenario. Instead of preparing for numerous what-if situations, pack for what's probable. For example, instead of bringing clothes for all weather conditions, Check the weather forecast and pack accordingly. Remember, each item you add, just in case, is weight you'll carry across miles. As experienced travelers say, it's usually cheaper and easier to buy something you unexpectedly need at your destination than to haul it around unused.